Next, third problem, third illustration. Suresh and Shankar are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 1:1. Suresh and Shankar are old partners and their profit sharing ratio 1:1. 1:1. Their balance sheet as on 31st/3/2017 before admission was as follows. See the balance sheet informations and also note down where to record. ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ನ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೋಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್ 40,000. Current liabilities, remember creditors are current liabilities, so recorded in a balance sheet. Next, new balance sheet. Next, bills payable 45,000. That is also current liabilities, so next recorded in a new balance sheet. Next, reserve fund. How much? 15,000. Reserve fund, accumulated reserve, accumulated profit. Where this information recorded in a partner's capital account. Remember, reserve fund in admission distributed to old partners in their old ratio. Reserve fund, accumulated profit, adanna ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಸುರೇಶ್ 60,000 and Shankar 40,000 were recorded in partners capital account. By balance brought down, opening balance ಆಗಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 30,000. Liability side provided, profit and loss account. What is that balance? It is a profit. If asset side provided, here profit and loss account 30,000 means it would have been loss. Adu loss ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ liability side ಅಲ್ಲಿ profit and loss account 30,000 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿಂದ that is a profit. So where this item recorded, that is a accumulated profit. Remember, adu accumulated profit ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So directly recorded in a partner's capital account. And in admission, this accumulated profit is distributed to only old partners. Old partners ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ distributions ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ in the old ratio. Remember, profit and loss account, profit distributed to old partners in their old ratio. So these are the liability side items. Next, see this asset side. Cash at bank 30,000. Remember, some of the adjustment we have to make. Cash at bank opening balance 30,000 plus the capital balance brought by a new partner. And next, goodwill amount brought by a new partner. You know that after solving the two problems, you know that which balance to write in a new balance sheet. Okay, cash at bank 30,000 ಅದು ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ತಂದದ್ದು ನ್ಯೂ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅವನು ತಂದದ್ದು ನ್ಯೂ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್, ಅದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸ್ಟಾಕ್. ಹೌ ಮಚ್? 25,000. ಸೊ ವೇರ್ ಟು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಡೆಟರ್ಸ್ 40,000 less PDD 2,000, 38,000. Where to record debtors? Stock also current asset. Stock kuda current asset ಆಗ್ತದೆ and debtor also current asset. Where to record? Next, in a balance sheet. Next, furniture. How much? 10,000. Where to record furniture? In a balance sheet. Fixed asset furniture. Okay. Next, machinery. How much? 15,000. Machinery also fixed asset. Where to record that machinery? In a partners, in a balance sheet. Okay. Next, buildings account. Buildings also fixed asset. Where to record? In a new balance sheet. 92,000. Okay. Next, patents. Patents is also asset. Where to record? In a balance sheet. 20,000 patents. So all the fixed assets and current assets are recorded in a balance sheet. Ella fixed assets ಮತ್ತೆ current account ಅನ್ನ balance sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಕೆಲವು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದ additional information. On 1/4/2017, they admitted Jagadish. Jagadish is a new partner for 1/4 share in the future profit on the following terms. Jagadish annuvantavanu new partners. Okay, remember. Next, Jagadish should bring in cash rupees 50,000 as his capital and rupees 25,000 towards goodwill. So he's bringing 50,000 as capital and also 15,000 as goodwill. Okay, so adanna elli consider ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We have to record that informations in a partner's capital account. Okay, you know the informations. Next, depreciate machinery, decrease in the value of machinery by 10%. We have to calculate that. Okay, machinery. So where to record that information? First in a revaluation account. I told that additional information ಅನ್ನ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ depreciation, that is a decrease in the value of asset. Next, increase provision for doubtful debts by rupees 4,000. Increase provision for doubtful debts by rupees 4,000. 4,000 provision for doubtful debts ಅನ್ನ increase ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Already 2,000 is there. 2,000 already ಇದೆ, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ rupees 4,000 extra. So this 4,000 we have to consider in a revaluation account. Remember, it is a loss. Provision for doubtful debt means it decreases debtors, so it is a loss. First we have to consider in a revaluation account this 4,000, and next we have to consider this information in a balance sheet. Next, the building is revalued at rupees 1,20,500. Revalued, new value 1,20,500. Old value how much? Buildings 92,000. That is a new value. Now the new value, increased value how much? 1,20,500. So first we have to consider the increased value of building in a revaluation account, and later the new value in a balance sheet. Okay, so these are the informations related to admission of a partners, and we have to prepare revaluation account, partners capital account, and the balance sheet. Okay, yes, so the revaluation account, debtor, particulars amount, creditors. So these are the columns you have to draw, and the headings you have to write. So first one, here in the additional informations, I told that revaluation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು ಈ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಡಿಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ machinery by 10%. So machinery value how much? 15,000. Machinery value 15,000 and depreciation 10%. So to machinery 10% into 15,000. So how much value decreased? 1,500. Next, increase provision for doubtful debts by rupees 4,000. Directly information provided. How much? To provision for doubtful debts 4,000. Why two provisions? Because it is a loss, decreases debtors. That's why 4,000 is a loss for a business. So two provision for doubtful debts 4,000. Later we have to consider this in a balance sheet, remember. Next, building is revalued at rupees 1,20,200. 1,20,200. Old value how much? 92,000. Now the increased value, new value how much? 1,20,500. So how much increased? 28,500 by building 1,20,500 minus 92,000. So 28,500 is a new value. So these are the three information to consider. Depreciation in machinery 1,500, and provision for doubtful debt increased 4,000 and increased in the value of building 28,500. Only 3 information in revaluation account. Next, you calculate balance. Which side greater? You know that clearly. Credit side greater, 28,500. Write down same amount here also. 28,000 ana illi baribeku. Next, from this 28,000 deduct this 1,500 and 4,000. You'll get the balance 23,000. That 23,000 is a profit in revaluation account, because debit side you are getting balance. So profit in revaluation account transferred to old partners capital account, okay, in their old ratio. This profit 23,000 is transferred to old partners in their old ratio. Old ratio how much? 1:1. So Suresh 1/2, his share 11,500 in profit. Next, Shankar 1/2, 23,000 into 1/2, so 11,500. These are the share in the profit of revaluation account. Next, after the preparation of revaluation account, next we have to prepare which account? That is a partners capital account. So partners capital account, see the columns carefully: debtor and creditor, particulars, and 3 partners: Suresh, Shankar and Jagadish. Next, particulars, credit side: Suresh, Shankar and Jagadish. So first entry, by balance brought down. Where you will get this balance information? In a opening balance sheet. Okay. Capital account of Shankar 60,000 and Suresh 60,000 and Shankar 40,000. Okay. So that is a opening balance. By balance brought down 60,000 and 40,000. Next, we have to write informations. That is by revaluation account. That is profit earned. How much? 23,000. To Suresh 11,500 and Shankar 15,500. Profit in revaluation account. So recorded by revaluation account 11,500 to Suresh and 11,500 to Shankar. Next, balance sheet items. Which are all the balance sheet items we have to record? See here. One is reserve fund. We have to record distributed to old partners, as well as profit and loss account. Profit balance distributed to old partners. So reserve fund 15,000 and profit and loss account 30,000. So these are the 2 balance sheet items we have to record in a partners capital account. Okay. So by profit and by reserve fund. So by reserve fund 15,000, in which ratio distributed? 1:1, old ratio. Remember, distributed to old partners. 7,500 and 7,500. 15,000 into 1/2, 7,500, and 15,000 into 1/2, 7,500. Next, by profit and loss account. Total profit how much? 30,000. Next, old partner. Suresh share how much? 30,000 into 1/2 as per old ratio. So 15,000. Next, Shankar's share. 30,000 into 1/2, 15,000. So these are the accumulated profit distributed to old partners. Next, we have to record additional informations. That is, Jagadish should bring in cash rupees 50,000 as capital and 25,000 towards goodwill. So first we have to record that information. By bank account, 50,000 as capital and 25,000 as goodwill. Who is bringing? Jagadish. So in the column of Jagadish, 75,000. Next one, for the distribution of goodwill, entry, journal entry, which is that new partners capital account debtor to old partners capital account. Remember, the entry for the distribution of goodwill, new partners capital account debtor. Who is new partner? By Jagadish capital account. new partners capital account debtor to old partners capital account, to Suresh capital account, to Shankar's capital account. That is a old partners capital account. In this way, the goodwill brought by a new partner are distributed. So by Jagadish capital 25,000 goodwill and distributed to old partner Suresh and Shankar in the ratio, sacrificing ratio. Remember, 1:1. So 25,000 into 1 by 2. Suresh share 12,500. And next Shankar's share 25,000 into 1 by 2. 12,500. And next one, another entry. To old partners capital account, to Suresh capital account, same 25,000 into 1 by 2, that is sacrificing ratio. In Jagadish column 12,500, and to Shankar's capital account 25,000 into 1 by 2, 12,500. Okay, these are the entries. Old partners capital account, new partners capital account debtor to old partners capital account for distribution of goodwill. So these are all the informations recorded in a partners capital account. So next we have to calculate balance. See that. Which side greater balance? Definitely credit side. So first you calculate the column of Suresh, 60,000 plus 11,500 plus 7,500 plus 15,000 plus 12,500, total 1,06,500. Write the same total here also, 1,06,500. From this 1,06,500, is there any information to deduct in the Suresh column? No. That's why balance 1,06,500, right, as it is. Next, Shankar's column, 40,000 plus 11,500 plus 7,500 plus 15,000 plus 12,500, total 86,500. Write the same balance, 86,500 here also, 86,500. From this 86,500, is there any amount to deduct? Minus ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ amount ಇದೆಯಾ? No. That means write down balance as it is, 86,500 here also. Next, Jagadish column. Only one amount is there, 75,000. Right here, 75,000. And next, 75,000 here. From this 75,000, is there any amount to deduct? 75,000 in the amount deduct ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಯಾ? Yes, two items are there, 12,500 and 12,500. So finally, you will get the balance 50,000. So now you have the capital balance of all new partners, all the partners, including old partner as well as new partner. So after the admission, capital balance how much? Two balance carried down, 1,06,500, 86,500 and 50,500. And write this information, same information here also. By balance brought down, two balance carried down, by balance brought down, 1,06,500, 86,500 and 50,000. So these are the capital balance. Where to record next? Ellidana next record ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Next in a new balance sheet. Okay, remember capital balance. Next, balance sheet. Balance sheet of Suresh, Shankar and Jagadish as on 1/4/2017. Admission ಆದ ಮೇಲೆ, admission date, remember 1/4/2017. After the admission of a new partner, new balance sheet is prepared. So first, creditors 40,000. See the balance sheet opening balance sheet, that is creditors 40,000. Is there any adjustment here? ಇಲ್ಲಿ adjustment ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಇದೆಯಾ additional information ಅಲ್ಲಿ? No. Creditors ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ adjustments ಇಲ್ಲ. So directly write down as it is here, creditors 40,000. Next, bills payable. Bills payable how much? 45,000. Related to bills payable, is there any adjustment here? No, there is no any adjustment related to bills payable. So write down as it is, bills payable in a new balance sheet also, 45,000. Next, reserve fund, that is not there to record because already distributed to old partner. Reserve fund illa. Next, capital account, old partner's capital balance, that is recorded in a partner's capital account. Okay, once again, new capital balances are there. That information we have to record. And profit and loss account, that is also distributed. Now it is not there. That means next we have to record this capital balance. Okay. So here, capital account, Suresh 1,06,500, Shankar 86,500, and Jagadish 50,000. Next, asset side. Asset side, cash at bank 30,000 opening balance. Cash at bank opening balance plus 50,000 capital brought by a new partner plus 25,000 goodwill brought by a new partner. So now the balance, how much? Cash at bank 30,000 plus 50,000 plus 25,000, 1,05,000 capital balance, cash at bank. Next, stock 25,000 stock. Is there any changes here? Increase in the value of stock or decrease in the value of stock? No, there is no such information. So directly write down as it is. Stock 25,000. Next, furniture, debtors 40,000. Debtors 40,000 and 2,000 old PDD. So is there any information here? Yes, increase provision for doubtful debts by rupees 4,000. 4,000 as to innu kuda increase madbeku. That's why, see here, that is debtors 40,000 and less PDD 6,000. 6,000 means 2,000 old PDD plus 4,000. That is a new PDD. Total 6,000. So finally, debtors how much? 34,000. Furniture 10,000. Is there any increase or decrease in the value of furniture? No, there is no such information. So write down amount as it is. Furniture 10,000. Next, machinery. How much machinery value? 15,000. Is there any increase or decrease in the value of machinery? Yes. Depreciation 10%. So how much? Depreciation 1,500. So how to record? Machinery 15,000 old value less depreciation 1,500. So the new value 13,500. Next, the next information, buildings. How much? 92,000. Is there any information? Yes. Building revalued 1,20,500. That means how much value of building increased? 28,500. Okay. So next, in a new balance sheet, buildings 92,000, add appreciation 28,500. The new value 1,20,500. Next, patents 20,000. Is there any increase or decrease in the value of patents? No, there is no any increase or decrease in the value of patents. So write down as it is in the new balance sheet. Patents 20,000. Now all the informations considered in a balance sheet. Once again check in a balance sheet, old balance sheet, as well as a partner's capital account, as well as revaluation account, whether all the informations are considered. Yes, now all the information is considered. So now calculate total. So liability side, creditors 40,000, bills payable 45,000, and capital balance, Suresh 1,06,500, and Shankar 86,500, and Jagadish 50,000. So total liability side how much? 3,28,000. Next, asset side, cash it back 1,05,000, stock 25,000, debtors 34,000, furniture 10,000, Machinery 13,500 plus buildings 1,20,500 plus patents 20,000. So total amount how much? 3,28,000. So you are getting tally here in third illustrations.